Hello guys, this is Romella and welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, Lucas gonna tell you where we going today. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to Sea Life, which is a very big aquarium where you can see all kind of fish and yeah, like a zoo but with underwater animals.
Okay. So let's see guys, and it's my first time to go there anyway. So let's enjoy the few days left that I'm here in Germany. So like 1 week left, I think so.
Yeah, 1 week and 2 days.
Yeah, 1 week and 2 days. So I'm gonna go back to Philippines and back to LDR again. So this is the reality of LDR relationship, guys.
Yep.
So if you are thinking about taking a LDR or long distance relationship, you must ready to be
patient. And you have to be willing to wait also. I mean, that is what patient is, but
yeah, but waiting is more part
true.
of the long distance relationship. So guys, if you are thinking about taking a long distance relationship, so you must ready your heart. And yeah,
exactly.
Because if you're not ready for waiting, for patient, if you don't have patience, then I don't think so if you can make the relationship, you know. Yeah, that's just my thought. I think yours too.
It's true.
Yeah. So anyway guys, for today's vlog, let's focus on it and we will see what's going on there. Actually today is rainy day and it's so cold, that's why we were like this. Actually I have a jacket inside of it, and also Lucas also did, and we have this jacket. This is a rainy jacket that the mom's Lucas gave it to me because it's raining today. So we're just waiting in the car for the train. How many minutes left? We're gonna
like
wait
18
minutes.
Yeah.
So we wait at 18 minutes guys, and then we're gonna go to the train. See you there in the train and see you in the Sea Life. So guys, we already in Sea Life. Ayan, diba? Welcome here. So we're walking, going there guys. So it's raining. Still raining guys. Super. This is cold, oder?
That's why we're going.
So ito pala yung entrance nila dito guys, and pagpasok mo, syempre bubulaga talaga sa iyo yung mga aquarium na may mga isda. Syempre, 'di ba? Kaya nga Sea Life. Anyway guys, hindi ko alam yung mga isda. Alam niyo kumakain ako ng isda pero hindi ko alam yung anong tawag ng mga isda na kinakain. So ayan is golden fish. Hindi ko naman masyadong kabisado yung mga name ng mga fish guys. Ito golden fish to siya guys. Nasa labas pa kami. I mean nasa entrance pa pala kami. So, ayan, nag-uusap kami dyan at saka tinitingnan namin anong pangalan. Meron namang mga pangalan ng fish sa guys, sa gilid ng mga aquarium. Ayan. Akala ko yung pinakamalaking aquarium guys, kaso lang ito lang pala yung Sabi kasi ni Lucas malaki yung aquarium, kaso merong malaki dito sa may gitna. Nung tawag nun. Mamaya guys, pakita namin sa iyo yung tawag nito.
Mexican walk.
Ito guys, para siyang lizard. Ewan ko. Na mga ako guys, hindi naman siya kala ko patay na. Hindi pa daw yan patay guys. Ganyan talaga yan siya guys. Walking fish ba yung tawag? Ewan ko kay Lucas. And meron siyang mga design. And papasok na kami dun sa loob guys. And German. Syempre guys, nandito. Alam nyo guys, ako lang naman yung tao nga kumakain ng isda. Pero hindi alam kung anong pangalan ng mga isda. Anyway guys, just story time. Na-remember ko kasi dati guys, nagbili ako ng isda. Kaso guys, gusto kong bilhin is tawag nun sa Bisaya is pirit. Tapos guys, yung binili ko is burot, o diba? Yan tayo eh. Marunong tayo kumain at saka magluto ng isda, pero hindi natin alam anong isda yung binili natin. So, anyway guys, kayo na pala bahala dyan kung anong mga isda yung nakikita nyo dyan. And alam ko naman na alam nyo yung mga isda na yan. So, ayan, hindi ko alam anong tawag ng isda na to. Color red yan siya guys. Hindi siya masyadong kasi sa camera kasi guys. Ayan, ang dami nila at saka ang lalaki nila guys. And yung iba dyan is nasa lang. Ayan is eel ang tawag dyan. Yan lang ata yung nakilala ko guys na isda dito. Tsaka golden fish. Ayan, diba? So, papunta na pala kami dun sa Ito guys is malaking aquarium pala yung namin dito. Pero hindi masyadong talaga malaki. And ito guys, hindi ko alam ano yan. Basta kayo na bahala anong tawag dyan. So, ang ganda guys. I really enjoyed the day because a few days to go, uwi na tayo ng Philippines. Actually guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam is 3 months lang tayo magstay dito sa Germany, kaya sinabi ko na malapit na akong uuwi sa Pilipinas. Kasi patapos na kasi yung visa ko dito, guys. Ayan. So, ito, malaki yan siya, guys. Parang maliit lang siya sa camera, pero malaki yan siya sa personal, guys. Diba? First time ko palang nakikita yung mga malalaking isda sa personal life, guys. And, ito guys, itong isda na to sobrang laki guys. Namangha. First time ko palang nakakita ng ganito guys. Alam nyo kasi nasa province kasi ako nakatira, kaya hindi talaga ako nakakita ng mga ganitong isda, diba? And first time talaga sa buhay ko na nakakita ako ng malaking isda sa personal. Alam nyo yun guys, yung feeling na ganun. Bata pa kasi ako guys, pangarap ko na yung mga ganito na, ano tawag nun, pumunta sa mga ganitong zoo or basta ganito guys. Kasi tinatawag itong zoo din pero underwater lang. So guys, pangarap ko din dati. Kaso lang guys, hindi talaga matupad kasi alam niyo naman, wala tayong budget, diba? And malayo din yung mga zoo doon sa amin kasi nasa province kami. So ayan guys, sobrang saya ko as in guys na nakakita ako ng ganito. Syempre guys, natatakot din ako minsan kasi na-imagine ko yung sarili ko na sa loob ng aquarium, baka kainin ako ng mga isda na to, diba? Syempre gutom yan. Oh, diba? Grabe yung imagination ko guys, ang lawak. And this one guys, sobrang cute niya guys. Nilapat ko pala yung kamay ko sa sa may aquarium. And then yung hindi ko alam anong tawag na fish na yan. And sobrang saya ko talaga guys. Para akong bata, para akong bumalik sa pagkabata guys. Alam mo yung feeling na ganun guys. Sobrang saya as in. And I just want to thank you guys kasi tapos na tayo dito. I just want to thank you all sa support nyo sa amin sa YouTube channel. And hopefully guys na-enjoy kayo. And anyway guys, you can follow us on our Facebook page, Romela and Lucas. Same name lang guys. Hindi kami nag-change ng name para madali nyo kaming mahanap. And ayan guys, pauwi na pala kami. Hello guys, so we already finished, diba? Yun lang. That's it. But it's very nice. And we have one photo there. We can download it, I think.
Yeah.
And it's nice. Yeah, so
very nice.
It's rainy day, still raining. Oh my goodness.
Cold also.
Yeah. So we going to eat and then going home. And this is the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.